I'm a strong believer that, you know, there's so much pressure on the youngsters nowadays to come out of school and college and have GCSEs behind them. I can tell you now, I've got no GCSEs and I've got where I am now. And I think a lot of that is down to being a good person, having a good understanding of people and just being very customer focused and being passionate about what you do. Having started at 16, I spent 17 years in the workshop, going from an apprentice right up to a shift foreman. And then back in 2017, I decided to have a career change and come into working for the sales side of the business as well, which I thoroughly enjoy. I think everybody that knows me knows I'm Volvo through and through. And I can't ever imagine working for any other company, if I'm honest with you. I've made some great friends, some great colleagues, and some of the customers are true friends as well. So, early part last year, my daughter came and worked for Volvo Trucks. I always remember the day I took the phone call. I was on a train heading down to London to have a meeting, and she rings up and says, Dad, I've got a job interview. I said, brilliant, where's this at? And she went, well, it's with a guy called Steve Cox at Volvo Trucks, which took me by surprise, I'm not going to lie. She can go anywhere, you know, so she started off as a parts trainee in administration, which is great, but you know, who knows where she'll be. I never knew where I was going to be at the age of 16, 17. I'm extremely proud of her.